Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to talk about the Facebook ad policies. So Facebook has built out some ad policies as well to safeguard their users' experience. So these policies are made out so that people can understand, advertisers can understand that what kind of businesses can be advertised through Facebook ads and what can't be. So these are certain guidelines and policies built out by Facebook, which basically tells us what type of advertising is possible on the Facebook network. So there are various policies, guys, which you can find over here, which you can go through. They have built out a resource material which you can read through to understand what are the policies under Facebook ads which you need to follow. So in order to access this, when you go on and you search for Facebook ads policy, you will come to their resource over here. So this is the advertising policies resource created by Facebook, guys. So you can see these are all the topics on which they are checking our ads specifically. So there is an ad review process wherein once you create your ad, it goes through a checking process or a review process where through their algorithm, through programming, Facebook checks our ads based on their policies which they have applied. So here specifically the review process happens. If the ad is approved, then it can run on the Facebook network. Otherwise, they will send out an email saying that the ad has been disapproved and we will have to make some changes, corrections in it, and then we can resubmit the ad for a review again. Apart from this, there are certain specific type of content which Facebook does not allow to advertise, which falls under prohibited content. So illegal products and services, discriminatory practices, these are certain topics on which Facebook will not allow us to advertise. You can see the topics over here: tobacco, unsafe substances, weapons, adult products, adult content, third-party infringement. So there are various topics under prohibited content as well, which you would not be able to advertise with in Facebook. Apart from that, if you go to restricted content, in restricted content, there are topics or businesses related to alcohol, dating, online gaming, promotion of online pharmacies. These are certain types of subscription services. These are certain topics on which Facebook will not allow to advertise on their network. Also, when we look at video ads, certain things in video ads like disruptive content or entertainment related restrictions, wherein we are depicting certain content related to drugs and alcohol use, or adult content, profanity, violence, and gore, is something which Facebook will really look at very closely, and they will not allow such ads to run. Apart from this, if you come into targeting, then again, there are certain things related to targeting like relevance, accuracy, related landing pages. This is something which Facebook will very closely watch and see if it follows their policies or not. Then lead ads related to lead gen businesses when you're running. So then there are different types of information like account numbers, criminal history, financial information. These are certain things which would need prior permission. With that only we can ask for such information. So these are certain things which Facebook will again look at. Also, if you look at brand assets, you can use brand assets, brand endorsement, brand usage in ads. These are certain things we have to be careful about because Facebook will have specific rules and policies around these as well. Also, we have policies around data usage restrictions. So what kind of data are we collecting of the user is also what Facebook is looking at very carefully. So these are certain things which you should be knowing about with respect to running ads on Facebook policies, because this would really help you to understand what you can advertise on their network and not. Also, when you're speaking to clients and they have certain products and services which they want to advertise, so you can tell them clearly what all things will be possible within the Facebook ads network and what will not be. So that is why knowing about the Facebook ads policies becomes very critical. I hope this makes sense and you understand all the advertising policies of Facebook now. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today, and I will see you in the next video.